Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy partial shares using Charles Schwab. Investing in partial shares allows you to own a portion of a share in companies you are interested in, even if the full shares are beyond your budget. This flexibility can help you diversify your investment portfolio. To get started, log into your Charles Schwab account on their website or app. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the sign-up process, which typically involves providing your personal information and linking a funding source. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trading section of the platform. Next, search for the stock you would like to invest in. You can enter the company's name or ticker symbol in the search bar. Once you find the stock, click on it to view the details. Look for the option to buy shares, and make sure to select the option to purchase partial shares. Enter the amount you wish to invest, and the platform will automatically calculate how many partial shares you will be purchasing based on the current share price. After you have entered the details of your order, review everything to ensure accuracy before placing your order. Once you are satisfied, confirm the purchase. You will receive a confirmation of your transaction, and you can track your investment in your portfolio. Remember, investing involves risks, so make sure to research and consider your financial goals carefully. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to buy partial shares in Schwab.